Welcome to this virtual orientation on the Reading and Writing Center at Miami-Dade College's Wolfson campus. We are located at the Learning Spot in room 2301. We provide academic services to support student success across all subject areas with a special focus on reading and writing. We aim to instill in students that improving reading comprehension and learning to write are lifelong processes, and that all writers profit from sharing works in progress with cultivated, diligent readers. Our most popular student service is tutoring. Students can schedule online or in-person tutoring appointments to receive personalized feedback on written or reading assignments. Students can ask tutors specific questions and receive guidance on coursework or transfer and scholarship application essays. Our tutors assist students in all stages of the writing process, from brainstorming to the final draft and everything in between. Some of the ways tutors can help are by reviewing papers for coherency, clarity, organization, introduction, thesis statement, topic sentences, proper in-text citations, and grammar, as well as provide useful handouts and further resources. For students who are seeking specific content knowledge on various reading and writing topics, try our Keep Educating Yourself series or KEYS workshops. These workshops are 1-hour in-depth sessions coupled with activities and take-home materials. Some of our topics include creative writing, speech, literary analysis, MLA and APA citations, punctuation, and essay structure. Keep an eye on our KEYS schedule since topics change from term to term. The Behind the Author series looks at past and contemporary authors and analyzes some of their most notable works. The series has covered William Shakespeare, Kate Chopin, Virginia Woolf, Anne Patchett, and Kevin Young. Check out our schedule for new presentations each term. The Reading and Writing Center also hosts the Learning Communities, where tutors guide student-led discussions on a wide range of topics from poetry and fiction writing to literary analysis and social context and literature. Students trade knowledge, experiences, and ideas in the Learning Communities. These are weekly gatherings that meet for a short duration within a term. Topics and meeting times might change from semester to semester, so verify what learning communities you can join on our website. Finally, students can also take advantage of the skills-based individualized Skill A la Carte instruction in reading, writing, punctuation, parts of speech, and sentence structure. These 30-minute sessions allow students to understand and practice a myriad of skills. All of these academic services are available to currently enrolled MDC students. Whichever service interests you the most, you can visit our website, mdc.edu/Wolfson/English/reading-writing to learn more about them. You can also call us at 305-237-7023 for further assistance or to book an appointment. You can also visit mdc.navigate.eab.com to schedule an appointment with a tutor. Remember to subscribe to our channel and to check out our other videos. We hope to see you at the Reading and Writing Center, and we're happy to assist you in your academic journey.